Holy crap! The FBI! Oh! I tried uploading a video, but YouTube not even gonna let me upload it. So who cares? There was backstory on this, but YouTube wouldn't let me upload it. Yeah. Well, stop screaming like a scaredy cat. We are all scaredy cats, right? No! I'm actually crouching in real life. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! One more shot at this. Okay, we have one last shot. One last shot! Oh, it just blew. There we win. Oh, no. Guess we did, because look at everything's gone. Oh, we have one dead body. Oh. What do we do now? Oh, no, Samuel. Our pleasure, you okay? Yeah, I think he good. He good. I was over here. This like it was crashed. Ding 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 ding. Wait, what is that doing? No. Holy. Who wants to live here for now on since we can't even go home? Oh. Sure, I'll live here. Do do do. Ah. Oh. 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 Come on, let's go. You already broke everything in this town. Well, there's no police to catch us. You're right. You're right. We could just live here for now on after. Oh boy, that moment. After we just killed the entire U.S. Army. One last thing I want to do to their base. What? I want to throw a grenade at their base. What happens if we do that? We'll blow up and die. Duh. There's no more left. I'll just kill them anyways. Get out of our house, suckers. This was a hotel. Like I said, there's no one to get us, though. But there's still in. Actually, you're right. For once, I'm actually believing you. Hey. Well, we're just trying to fix this place. Well, at least now we're gonna have rats, but it's fine. Look at it. We have a door with cages in it. Come on, let's go. I call second room. I call bottom room. I call top room. Some place you're thinking of a tough night sleeping. I've seen worse. So I'll be good. I've slept in the forest once. I've slept in the jungle once. I've slept on the floor once. I've slept on a broken house once. Yeah, but if you guys want to see me, you might want to be careful. Oh. Really careful. No. Oh. Is the roof fall? Why is the roof freaking falling? The only one with the perfect room that's not broken. Oh! Holy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Back from my. You good? What happened? Nothing, nothing. At least you have a better floor. Call that better. That better. Now I don't even have a way to go home. Now I don't even have a way to get out of here. Jump. Oh. Now I can't even get back up. That's the room. What did you do? I called it a perfect room. And oh, there's something gonna drop. Dude. I think we shouldn't live there. Oh, I'm inside the ground! Let's go live in here. But much better now. Oh. Looks like we're gonna have to sleep at the bottom of it, though, then. What the bottom? Oh, what happened to the toe? That's what happened. That's why we can't go to the bottom. Ah! It's fine. The freaking ah! Oh my god. Ah! Now we can go upstairs. Right? Yeah, I'm sleeping on the stairs. I'm sleeping on the stairs as well. Where am I gonna sleep? You're gonna sleep in the broken building. Why do you guys hate me now? Yeah, we kind of got rid of you. I kind of got rid of you. Oh! No, let me... Ow! And here's a good place. Yeah, we can sleep in there again. After what happened last time. Remember what happened last time we slept in there? Yeah, well, that video never came up because YouTube hates us. Just, come on, come on, this is upstairs. Yay, we can sleep somewhere better. I'm not gonna sleep here. Well, at least now we can live. We can live here after we just destroyed the army. Destroyed the U.S. Army here. And yeah. Oh! What's happened? Oh yeah, I kind of messed with the roof. You? How'd you mess with the roof? Because it was wiggly. So you touch it to make it more wiggly, and then it can fall and break us all. Well, hey. Where'd everyone go? Guys, I don't like being alone. Samuel was like, okay. Okay, we're back here. Yeah. Okay, that means the U.S. Army's back. Oh. Done. Done. Did you? Yep, I just killed them all. Why would you do that? We didn't have to do that. Well, we had to. We had no choice. Come on, let's go. Let's go up here and sleep. Fine. Oh! Oh, no, it's gonna be harder to get up there. You can sleep down there. This will have to fucking off. That was your idea. That was your prop. That was your. You did that. And stop trying to make it like we want it. Stop making us want to see it. I'm sorry. It just feels different here. It makes me like. Come on, 7 plushies. So, I think I got hit in the head. Yeah, you definitely got hit in the head. I got hit in the head. Yup. Ah! No. You're not having a door up to your legs. Call me.